Welcome sa Panlasang Pinoy. Ako po si Vanjo Merano at kasama ko ngayon si Daniel. Say hi, Daniel.
Hi!
At ngayon ay magluluto kami ng bacon and egg macaroni salad with green peas. At ito yung mga ingredients na gagamitin natin para dito sa ating dish.
Macaroni, egg, bacon, purple onion, green cheese, celery, white salt, and pepper, and ready choice mayonnaise.
At bukod dito, gagamit din tayo ng tubig at ng konting asukal. Ito naman yung kompletong listahan ng mga ingredients, kasama ang sukat ng bawat isa. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Come on, let's cook the macaroni salad.
Yeah!
Umpisa na natin. Magpapakulo lang tayo ng tubig sa isang cooking pot. At kapag nag-umpisa ng kumulo yung tubig, maglalagay lang tayo dito ng asin. Aasinan lang natin itong tubig para mamaya kapag nilagay na natin dito yung macaroni, masipsip ng macaroni yung lasa. Pabayaan lang natin ito na kumulo pang mabuti. Ngayong kumulo na yung tubig, ilagay na natin dito yung macaroni. Ito yung elbow macaroni. Pabayaan lang natin kumulo yung tubig uli at pagkatapos ay tutuloy lang natin ang pagluto dito ng 7 minuto. Gusto natin dito sa macaroni maging firm lang. Sa puntong ito, iluto na itong macaroni natin. So, ang gagawin natin dito, itatanggalin lang natin sa cooking pot. I-drain lang natin yung tubig. Pagkatapos, ipapacool down muna natin ito. Ngayon, ready na tayo. I-assemble na natin yung ating macaroni salad. Pagsasama-samahin na natin yung mga ingredients. Alright, Daniel, can you help me assemble the macaroni?
Yeah!
First, you have to make the dressing, okay?
Dressing
Yeah, the dressing. So, can you help me put the mayonnaise in there?
and
You have-
mayonnaise.
Yeah, you have to squeeze it, okay? Alright, squeeze it. There you go. Squeeze the latest choice mayonnaise.
Let's have the other one.
Yes, okay. So, ang gagamitin natin dito, isa't kalahati muna. Mga 300 ml ng latest choice mayonnaise ang gagamitin natin dito. Pero pwede rin yung ubusin yung 2 pakete nito. Kasi itong isang pakete ay 200 ml yung laman nito. So, ang ginagawa ko usually dito kapag medyo marami yung mga ingredients, 2 pakete hanggang 400 ml. Pero kung ayaw naman ninyo nung masyadong marami ng mayo, pwede natin gamitin yung 300 ml lang. Yung matitirang mayonnaise, pwede natin gawing pangpalaman. Okay? So, ayan. Ito yung umpisa. Ito naman yung pangalawa.
I wanna.
Can you do it first?
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, you put everything in there.
E.
Sa ngayon, since mukhang natuwa si Daniel na magpisil dito, lalagay na natin lahat. Ayan. Ayan, nagre-react siya at nalagyan na yung kamay niya. You eat it now. Taste it. It's yummy, look.
And then
Yum.
I want to take the
Taste it. Here, here's more. Taste it. See? Yum. See? Yum, yum. Me too. Yummy. Good job.
And what's next?
What's next? You tell me what's next. Susunod, pagsasama-samayin na natin yung mga yung seasoning kasama yung sibuyas, celery, pati na rin itong ating green peas. Pero yung mga seasoning muna, unahin natin sa ground black pepper. Can you put the ground black pepper in there, please?
How about the salt?
Yes, afterwards, put the salt.
And
Put
I want
everything,
to
yeah.
place it in there.
There you go. Good job.
I want to do a salt
Yes,
now.
you can do the salt now.
And wait to toast mayonnaise.
Yes,
I wait to
good.
toast mayonnaise.
Oh yes, you placed the salt over the latest choice mayonnaise. Good job, baby.
No, and there.
And this one is sugar.
It's white.
Yes, white
Wait,
sugar. Good. Good job. Okay, now you have to mix the ingredients. Can you do that for Daddy?
Yeah, so.
Okay, good. There you go. Daddy will help, okay?
Okay.
Yan, haluin lang natin mabuti yung mga ingredients na nandito.
I want it.
You love it? Nice. Kaya mabilis lang yung paghalo dito. Pagkatapos, ilalagay na natin yung sibuyas, pati yung celery, at yung green peas. Can you get the onions, please?
Was it that one?
That one,
A
yeah.
purple one?
Yeah, the purple one.
Yes.
Good job. Thank you. Haluin lang natin. Simutin natin yung sibuyas. Yan. Can you mix it for me, please?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, good. Now I'll put the celery while you mix. Is that okay?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Here's the celery. Lalagyan natin yung celery dito. Okay, continue mixing. That's okay. Pagkatapos, ilalagay na rin natin itong green peas. Siya na ito maglalagay ng green peas. Okay. There you go. Good job. Itong green peas, naluto na natin to. Pwede nating pakuluan o pwede natin i-microwave. Ang gamit ko dito yung frozen green peas. Haluin lang natin mabuti itong mga ingredients na nandito sa ating bowl. Daddy will help now. Okay? See how I mix it? Look, you fold it like that. Yes, we're gonna put the macaroni later, okay? We're almost there. We're almost there. Just want to make sure that all the ingredients here are mixed all together. Okay.
I need this nice time.
Okay. Here, you mix it for me while I get the macaroni, okay?
Okay.
All right,
I
good.
want it to the macaroni.
Okay, you mix it up with the macaroni. Oh, you want to put the macaroni? Okay, you put it. It's heavy. Okay, I'll help you, okay?
No, I need to do it.
Okay, you do it. Go.
Okay.
Good. Good job. Oops, oops. Take the hands off. There you go. Oh, Daddy will continue.
And that.
Okay, that one too. Okay. Wala pang 5 minutes. Okay, put everything together there. Good. Ayan. So, nilagay na natin yung macaroni dito sa bowl. Pagkatapos ituloy na natin yung paghalo.
Oh, I love it.
You love it? See? We're almost done. What's the next step? To put the eggs and the bacon? Okay, can you do it for me, please? It's heavy. Careful. Good. So, ayan. Pagkatapos ng macaroni, kahit na partial lang yung maghalo, pwede na natin ilagay dito yung itlog at yung bacon. Okay, do it. Good job. So, yung itlog ay nilagang itlog, yung bacon naman niluto na natin. Pagkatapos, hiniwa lang natin ito ng maliliit na peraso. Ayan, itutuloy lang natin yung paghalo dito sa macaroni. Ganyan lang kasimple. O, then yeah, you continue mixing it, okay? At pagkatapos nito, ililipat lang natin sa isang serving bowl. At tikman na natin. Do you want to taste this later?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll mix this and then we'll taste this later, okay?
Okay.
Good. Ito na ang ating bacon and egg macaroni salad with green peas. Ngayon, tikman na natin to. Here's your spoon.
Okay.
Alright. Taste it.
Okay.
Okay. Just a little bit, sweetheart. Okay, I'll help you, okay? I'm gonna get a little bit of macaroni for you. Then taste it now. What do you think? It's yum yum. I want more. I want the bacon and the egg.
I want that macaroni.
You want the macaroni and the green peas. Right.
I want macaroni.
There you go.
A piece?
Yeah, that's the green peas.
How about onion?
Okay.
It's purple.
It's purple, right. Try it. Guys, maraming salamat sa pagnood itong video. Sana gusto nyo tong ating recipe ngayong araw na to. Naku, ang sarap at simple lang gawin, di ba? Yan ang ating bacon and egg macaroni salad with green peas. Pati bata kayang-kayang gawin, di ba? Nakita nyo naman. Kaya sana subukan nyo rin tong ating recipe. At inimbitahan namin kayo na mag-subscribe dito sa ating Panlasang Pinoy YouTube channel. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.